Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a hot topic in the EV world, whether other electric vehicles can use Tesla's charging stations. We know this is a question that's been on many people's minds, so we're here to clear up any confusion and give you the facts. First off, let's start with the basics. Tesla has its own charging network called the Supercharger network. It's a network of fast charging stations that are located throughout the world, designed to make long-distance travel in a Tesla vehicle more convenient. These charging stations use a proprietary charging connector that is unique to Tesla vehicles. So, can other electric vehicles use Tesla's Supercharger network? The short answer is no. The proprietary charging connector that Tesla uses is not compatible with other EVs. However, this doesn't mean that other EVs can't use Tesla's charging infrastructure at all. Tesla has recently opened up its charging network to other EVs through its partnership with charging network operator EVgo. EVgo is a leading operator of public charging networks in the United States, and it has partnered with Tesla to make its charging stations accessible to other EVs. This means that drivers of other EVs can now use select Tesla charging stations, as long as they have an account with EVgo. But here's the catch: the charging speed is slower for non-Tesla EVs. Tesla's proprietary charging connector and charging technology are designed to deliver the fastest charging speeds possible for Tesla vehicles. So, while other EVs can use Tesla charging stations through EVgo, they won't be able to take advantage of Tesla's ultra-fast charging speeds. Conclusion: while other EVs can't use Tesla's Supercharger network directly, they can use select Tesla charging stations through EVgo. This is a step in the right direction toward creating a more interoperable charging network for all EVs. However, it's important to note that the charging speeds for non-Tesla EVs will be slower than for Tesla vehicles. We hope this video helped clear up any confusion around this topic. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.